Hello and welcome to this video. On this video we're going to be installing a set of Bosch 359S wipers onto a 1995 Mercedes S320, and in order to do it you have to open the hood all the way. That usually takes a couple of people, and the wipers are different lengths, so you'll have to make sure you get the correct one on the correct side. So we'll show you that here in just a second. Okay, to open the hood there's these two latches, one on each side. And you're going to pull the hood down a little bit and then flip the latches, and it should go all the way up and to click into its maintenance position, just like that. Now you have access to the wipers. We can start with this side over here. Okay, in order to replace the passenger side blade, you're going to put it in the position shown, and then you're going to push on the clip and slide the blade backwards, and it'll release it. And it takes a bit of effort. We'll get that done and we'll come back and show you how to install the new one. Okay, to install the new blade, you're going to hold the arm up like the position we show. Slide the new blade on, and it should slide and clip into place. It just takes a little effort. And then that side's done, so you can go ahead and put that down. And the passenger side is now finished. Now we'll work on the driver's side. In order to install the driver's side wiper, you're going to put the wipers in the service position. To do that, you're going to turn the ignition on, turn the wiper on, and then turn the key off as soon as the wipers get to their topmost position. And that'll allow you to have access to the driver's side. Once you have the driver's side wiper up into its service position, removal is pretty easy. You just reach over and you're going to unclip it and slide the wiper back. And try to be very careful not to let the arm hit the window because it could chip or crack it. Go get your new blade and we'll install that here in just a second. Installation of the new blade is pretty easy. It's just reverse of taking the old one off. You just slide the new blade on, put the arm down to the point where it can go through the blade, and then you're going to slide it upwards and into position, and it should click into place. And that's all there is to it. That's all there is to this video. Thank you for watching.